Hey everybody, Heather from Hooked on Pickin here. It is a gorgeous day outside, so I thought that I would just film this short little clip to let you know that yes, today I will be going live, but instead of 11 o'clock like normal, which is right now, I'll be going live at 12 o'clock with all of your Algopix results for the drawing for that free Algopix program. If you haven't seen what that is, please check the link in the description below, but I'll be drawing the name out of a hat or a bowl today to have my 2 free winners for that annual subscription that helps you basically find which platform to sell your stuff on. Also, be thinking about questions because today's live stream is going to be talking about putting your reselling business on vacation and what are the steps that we need to take on the various different platforms that I'm familiar with. And then I want your guys' input on what you guys do for your platforms and what are some of the things that you do. So I will be on live at 12 o'clock Central Standard Time today instead of 11 o'clock. I had some family things come up and couldn't reschedule, but 12 o'clock Central Standard Time today, live stream from Hooked on Pickin for the free drawing for Algopix program and how do I put my reseller business on vacation. And remember, in the end, Jesus wins. This is Heather from hookedonpickin.com. If you'd like to purchase my reseller guide, which is fully laminated 3 cards with checklists for Goodwill, eBay, and Amazon, please click the link below and you can purchase it now. The Goodwill card has over 80 different tips to show you how to walk through the store and what things I look for when walking through a thrift store to buy and resell items on Amazon, eBay, and other platforms. The Amazon reseller checklist has over 6 major steps and a lot of sub-steps to look at in order to find out, is my item going to be perfect for selling and reselling on Amazon? The eBay card also has 6 major steps to walk through to make sure you're choosing the right item that will be perfect for reselling and making money on eBay. Each card is fully laminated so that it cannot be destroyed easily, and it's perfect for taking with you while you're going on your picking and finding treasure hunting for reselling. I hope this is helpful, and I hope these cards help you to focus your energy to pick the right items to resell online to grow your reseller business. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, just click on them here. And if you'd like to learn more about the reseller world, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thanks.